Hi guys, this is Gunjan and we are here today at the Lalit Mumbai for the International Leadership Awards conducted by Time Cyber Media. We will be honoring and recognizing the business leaders of our country. So let's go in and take a look. Good afternoon everyone. This is Gunjan, your host for today. Time Cyber Media also offers wide range of evaluations and research analysis services that are driven by international industry standard measures. International Leadership Awards 2016. To now welcome our chief guest of the day, Mr. Sandeep Patil. May I request you please to light the lamp and kickstart today's event. Talking about our today's honorable chief guest, Mr. Sandeep Patil, who's been a former Indian cricketer, former Kenya national team coach, and was also the chief of BCCI selection committee.
Times, Cyber Media, congratulations, and all the great people, the achievers who have not only made me proud, but made our great India proud by doing such a great service in your own field. We have seen leaders from Mahatma Gandhi ji to Narendra Modi ji. On field, we have also seen Colonel C.K. Naidu to today's captain Virat Kohli. I have never been a leader, इसलिए मैं award लेना नहीं, award देना पसंद करता हूँ. I personally feel that everybody, like you all, have achieved so much in your life and in your field. Every boy, every girl has a dream, and everybody wants to achieve that, but it takes time. It has to go through a process.
Thank you so much, sir. It's been an honor to have you here. I'm a little tempted to not let go of him as yet. Would you mind if we can open the stage for a couple of questions for a couple of minutes, because I'm sure you've got a very inspiring and a motivating life, and we can only learn from it.
Well, I'll be more than happy to answer. Please ask.
Hello sir, good morning. My name is Neo Soni from Ahmedabad. I have one question for you. If it was not cricket, so what else you would have become?
I have so many hobbies, but best hobby today, in fact last 30 years, is cooking. So I think I would have been a chef, if not in a good hotel. I think किधर corner में चाय की पटरी बिटरी लगा के मैं कुछ ना कुछ वड़ा पाव कुछ ना कुछ करता. But I love sports, I love photography, I love painting, I love driving. I play all sports, almost all sports, from golf to cricket, badminton, table tennis, everything. But, you know, I ended up playing cricket, and I thank my stars, my parents, for getting me into cricket.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, Mr. Patil. I am Colonel Nikhil Devanji. Though, if you don't mind, I would like to ask you some tangent question. How would you support the other sports in India? We all love cricket.
I wish I could do that. I'm sure now that Sachin is in the Rajya Sabha, and he is trying his bit to help other sports. You know, you people and normal people of our country, they feel that cricketers don't think about other sports, or we don't follow other sports. But I feel so sad. I feel so bad. But at the same time, I give credit to Board of Control for Cricketing India, the way they have marketed cricket, and that's why there is so much of money and so much of glamour has come in. I wish that all the other sports body follow the same thing which BCCI has been following.
Sandeep sir, hi, I am Ritesh Roshan. I lead an organization called the Gate Academy from the field of education. Now my question to you, sir, that since you have been a part of Indian cricketing as such from 80s to 2016, so what changes have you seen in terms of leadership challenges? So leaders were there in 1980s, leaders are here in 2016, but the challenges which they have faced in 80s, are they different from the challenges which leaders are facing today in 2016?
I think what I have seen as a kid, I'm going back to 60s and 70s. You know what we have seen as a kid, and now what we see the kids play cricket. There is a vast change in everything except the positions on the field. When you see T20, when you see ODI or even Test cricket, the positions on the field have not changed, but the game has changed, and I think it has changed for good. Like in your organization, in your field also, you have to adopt these new ideas, you know, and you have to try. Unless and until you try out things, you will not get the result.
हेलो संदीप सर, मैं योगाचार्य पवन गुरु भोपाल से आए हैं. हम लोगों की योग संस्थान चलती है. अभी आपने बताया कि आप 2-3 महीने में 60 साल के होने वाले हैं, लेकिन
बन गए हैं.
हाँ. आपके देख
सीनियर सिटीजन हूँ मैं.
आपको देख के लगता नहीं कि आप 60 साल के, क्योंकि आप तो यंग लगते हैं.
Thank you.
और कल की बात लगती है कि वर्ल्ड कप जीता था. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि जब 50,000 60,000 दर्शक आपके सामने बैठे हैं और आप क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, उस समय आपकी मानसिक कंडीशन क्या रहती है कि उनको कैसे अपन फेस करें, और जनता का इतना प्रेशर, और आज तक बिल्कुल आप यंग रखे हुए हैं और आप भी लीडर रह चुके हैं, चीफ सेलेक्टर रह चुके हैं, तो आप हमको क्या और मार्गदर्शन दे सकते हैं कि हम अपने आप में और चीज क्या सुधार कर सकते हैं?
देखिए, जब कोई खिलाड़ी देश के लिए खेलता है, और जैसे आपने कहा कि 60-70 हजार लोग आपको देखते हैं, लेकिन कई अच्छे उदाहरण एग्जाम्पल्स है हमारे सामने. सुनील गावस्कर, जो अगर लाख लोग भी सामने आए तो वो सिर्फ गेंद की तरफ देखता था, और इसीलिए उन्होंने इतने रन बनाए. अगर हमारी बात की जाए तो हम गेंद छोड़ के सारी दूसरी जगह देखते थे, इसलिए हमारा डंडा आ जाता था.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबडी. नमस्कार, सुप्रभात. सगळ्या भाषेत बोलतो म्हणजे सगळ्यांना कळेल. आय एम रिअली प्लीज अँड ऑनर्ड टू बी इन्व्हायटेड हिअर. Time Cyber Media Private Limited for international leadership awards, and really happy that my idol is sitting here in front of me. I am from that area only. I got elected from South Mumbai. Those were the days of the Kanga League and Time Shield. And we used to run from this pitch to another pitch, right from Marine Drive to the other, to see all these test players playing in a Time Shield or Kanga League. Nowadays nobody plays. Nobody comes on the ground for the Kanga League or Time Shield. Those were the matches who were there. And thank you for Time Cyber Media Private Limited for inviting me and to share the dais with the great player Sandeep Patil. He has just told you the incident of his ball hitting on his head, went into a coma and then come into a play. That itself shows what exactly you people have to do. Never go into coma. If at all went into coma, come back and play again in the field and get the awards over there. And the people who can do that, they are genius. These are the genius people.
Bringing out the first set of awards. I am not going to be wasting any more time. The most promising interventional cardiologist of the year 2016 in Hyderabad goes to Dr. Syed Imamuddin. Moving on to the third category, the award for Best Physiotherapist in Delhi goes to Dr. Swarna Viswas. The fourth award for the day, Best Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation Center in NCR, goes to APRC Healthcare Private Limited. The next award for the day, for Best Emerging Beauty Salon Chain in Delhi NCR, goes to Glam Online Private Limited, gets the award. And now can I have Miss Sadia Nazim. Without wasting any more time, the award for Best Yoga and Naturopathy Center in Madhya Pradesh goes to Dr. Ganguly Yog Vidyapeeth Sanstha. for most promising neurosurgeon in Maharashtra goes to Dr. Gurneet Singh Sahani. Our next award for the most promising fitness trainer of the year 2016 goes to Mr. Ankur Sood. We will be honoring those who create these architectural wonders for us. The award for Leader of Interior Designing Consultants in Ahmedabad goes to Ms. Molly Gandhi. Next award, Best Upcoming Architecture Consulting Firm in Mumbai, goes to T-Square Architecture and Design. The award for Best Interior Designing Consultant in Rajkot goes to Mr. Harish Parsana. Next award for Most Innovative Architecture and Interior Designing Firm in Meghalaya goes to Purple Architecture Private Limited. And next award for the day, Best Architecture, Interior and Structural Design Firm in Rajasthan. And the award goes to the design team. Moving on to the next award, Most Promising Architecture and Green Building Design Consultant of the Year 2016 in Gujarat goes to Arpan Johri. Next category of awards for the Best Emerging Preschool in Vadodara. And the award goes to Euro Kids Makarpura. Moving on to the next award, the award for Most Emerging Daycare and Activity Center in Pune goes to Mrs. Nilakshi Mundada Dalia of Uruga World. The award for Best Pharmacy College in Ahmedabad goes to Mr. Dhaval Singh Zala of A1 Pharmacy College. Award for Most Promising Play School in Satara goes to Bachpan Play School, Karad. Now coming Best Upcoming Young Researcher in Ahmedabad, and the award goes to Mr. Nirav R. Soni. The award for Most Best Civil Services Exam Coaching Center in Bangalore goes to Sparda Mitra Coaching Center. The next award in the same category, which is for Most Innovative Technical Institute in Bangalore, which goes to Al Khatib Group of Educational Institutions. A big round of applause for Musharraf Ahmed Khan. The award for Most Promising Software Testing Services and Training Institute in Mumbai goes to Vashne Infotech Private Limited. The award for among Best Immigration Services Provider for Australia, New Zealand and Canada in Maharashtra goes to Taurus Infotech. Upcoming preschool chain in Gujarat goes to Sanskar, the International Preschool. Welcoming on stage Mr. Vijay Barwadia. For Best Career Counseling Academic Institute in Maharashtra goes to Astute Career Counseling Academy. The next award for Most Innovative FSB Training and Personality Development Institute in Madhya Pradesh goes to Nix Academy. The award for Top Leading Business Management Institute in Maharashtra goes to Mr. Abhay Kotkar, President Shikshan Maharshi Dr. D.Y. Patil Center for Management and Research. Inching towards some last few awards for the day. We have another award for fastest growing GATE coaching center in India. Goes to the GATE Academy Private Limited. Most promising engineering college with placement of the year 2016, Tamil Nadu. Goes to Kananami College of Technology. The next award, the award for fastest growing prep school and daycare chain in India. The award goes to Founding Years Learning Solutions. Announcing the award for most innovative youngest education entrepreneur of the year. And the award goes to Ritesh Roshan. Assemble on the stage for a group photograph.
हमारी जर्नी 2004 में चालू हुई थी, फरवरी 2004, और क्वालिटी, फैसिलिटी और सेफ्टी, दिस इज द थ्री key players for the success of this संस्था. I am very excited for the awards, for getting the awards.
Quality education हमारे हिसाब से is a fundamental right of every student. Everybody should go to top layer. और उसी के लिए हमारी एस्ट्यूट करियर काउंसलिंग एकेडमी, हमारा वर्ल्ड वाइड किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ टाई अप नहीं है. वी वर्क प्योरली ऑन मेरिट्स, और मेरिट्स के हिसाब से हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स को हर फील्ड, इंजीनियरिंग, मेडिकल, आर्ट्स, साइंस, कॉमर्स में टॉप लेवल के एडमिशंस करवाते हैं अप टू द PhD.
First of all, congratulations to my students who have done wonderful, and those students have brought us to this level where we have been awarded as the fastest growing GATE coaching institute in India.
Very nice. Winning the award is always proud moment, and coming from remote area of the Gujarat, Rajkot, so it is always proud moment.
लगा और बहुत बढ़िया ऑर्गेनाइज था आपका, बहुत सिस्टमेटिक था, और जीवन का एक जो सपना होता है वो पूरा हुआ है आज यहाँ का.
It's a great pleasure today. It's a great pleasure. The way of program is the arrangement of program is very nice, and today I'm really feeling good, and this I have done because of Times Cyber Media.
I am very happy to receiving this award, and thank you for the Times Cyber Media for giving the opportunities for young researchers. Thank you again, Times Cyber Media.
It's wonderful. All in all, a great feeling to be honored by such good, felicitators, right? And also very much thanks to Time.
It's fantastic. Very good. It's been a good experience, and I would like to thank the Time Group for acknowledging the efforts of green building service industry.
Yes, they need a lot of work, a lot of motivation. So our partner was there, our cricketer. He had a head injury that was really, and then he came out. That's a good motivation for them.
Very fine, ma'am. I'm really thankful for Time Cyber Media for giving us an opportunity to serve the work we are doing and appreciating the work we have done.
I am feeling very proud, and someone has recognized our work, the Time Group. Thanks to Time Group, and we are feeling very excited.
Thanks a lot, and it's really a wonderful feeling to be part of this great event. I would like to thank Time Cyber Media.
And basically, we are looking to eradicate the illiteracy level in the content state. So we need certain things to administer to give a quality education for everyone, irrespective of the caste and creed.
एजुकेशन फील्ड में अवार्ड मिलना वो बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, क्योंकि कितने बच्चे आते हैं, किस तरह का उसको टीचिंग मिल सकता है, क्या होता है, किस तरह से उसको डेवलप किया जाता है, और उसके बाद अगर मुझे यहाँ से अवार्ड मिल रहा है तो मैं बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहा हूँ.
It's really awesome when you see people are recognizing you and you feel like you are on the correct path of the success.
I've been wondering that would there be any platform who would ever recognize that kind of work that I've been doing, and I'm glad Times Cyber Media did that, and thank you very much for this nomination and award.
Yeah, I'm very happy about I'm receiving that international award because we are providing free coaching for the blind, handicaps and ex-servicemen also. More than 52 students, they have cleared UPSC and KPSC and other banking service also.
So for that, we'd really like to thank the clients and our well-wishers here and there in Shillong. So we're trying that ways, and the challenges are more, but then again it's very interesting to try out something new. It's happening good for us.
Cyber Media for giving me this award in immigration category. I'm really happy.
Yeah, feeling very good about the award, and truly and honestly very good about that, because this is a huge realization of our success story after long years.
You people are doing really very great. This is like really very honor, and I'm really thankful to you.
बहुत ही मैं प्राउड फील कर रहा हूँ कि ये टाइम साइबर ने ये हमें रूरल एरिया में से चुना है, और हमें चुन के इतनी बड़ी उन्होंने चुनौती दी है कि हम आगे भी इससे भी बढ़कर कुछ अवार्ड कर सके। इससे हमें ये प्रेरणा मिल गई है कि हम जो काम कर रहे हैं तो उसका कोई तो भी ख्याल रखने वाला है।
It's great. It's a good feeling. Wonderful. This is probably I have got various awards in the last 18 months, right from the state government, central government, and in the Hyderabad local level itself.
So congratulations to all the winners of International Leadership Awards 2016, brought to you by Time Savvy Media. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as we did. Signing off, this is Gunjan.